Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle, the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, no, it's the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, September the 17th, 2022. Because today it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper, and I've already solved two puzzles. The first one is the letter Sudoku. I've solved this half hour ago. The second one is a 2-star Sudoku. And the third one, the last one for today, is the cipher block. Cipher block, in English, they call it tectonic. In Dutch, cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. Yes. And it's a 1-star, yes. And for 1-star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. This one will be number, let me see, 5195. Yeah, 5195. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 printed digits. Well. Should be an easy one. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes in this puzzle. Dual boxes then. Next question. Do we see here dual box? No. Dual boxes again. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Here also, a triple box. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well, we have here a triple box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Yeah, this box is also near the middle box. So 4 or a 5, the 5 is already filled in. Okay, do we have more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? No quadra boxes also. Well, then we need to recognize the next strategy. The next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, constructions, whatever you name it. For example, this shape, this figure. Let me draw this here. When you see this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Yes, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright, do we have more? No, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 2. Yeah, only 2. Maximum are 6. but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you need to recognize those two shapes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We already have a 5 here in this area. So this box should be a 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers also 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here in the we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. And these two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 3, and also those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here in this area. So this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. 4 and a 1. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. S should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. S should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. I cannot believe this. This one is very, very quick to solve. Although it has 2 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. But 10 minutes, well. Yeah, it has 20 printed digits, so should be an easy one. If I can solve it, you can solve it. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and who knows, we'll meet again in the evening or tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, new puzzles, new week, Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.